Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this math problem here, which is 81 to power 4 subtract 81 to power 3. So how do we solve this problem? So solution from here, we can express 81 to power 4 as 81 raised to power 3 plus 1 subtract 81 to power 3. Now, 81 raised to power 3 plus 1, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then we'll have 81 to power 3 times 81 to power 1 subtract 81 to power 3. So you find that 81 to power 3 is common, so we have 81 to power 3. This is common. We factor out 81 to power 3. We factor out 81 to power 3 so that A will have 81 subtract 1. And now here we have 81 to power 3 multiplied by 81 minus 1. This is equal to 80. The next step from here, we can express 81 to power 3 as 81 is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 3 to power 4. So this is the same thing as 3 to power 4 multiplied by 3, then multiplied by 80. So from here, we have that a raised to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as a to power n multiplied by m. So here we'll have 3 to power 4 times 3, this is equal to 12, multiplied by 80. So the next step here, we can express 3 to power 12 as 3 to power 10 plus 2, multiplied by 80. Now again, applying the exponent property here, that's a to power n plus m, this is a to power n times a to power m, applying this property. Then here we have 3 to power 10 multiplied by 3 squared times 80. We can express 3 to power 10 as 3 to power 5 times 3 to power 5. Now 3 to power 5 here, this is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and this is equal to 243. This is equal to 243. So basically here, 3 to power 10, which is 3 to power 5 times 3 to power 5, this is the same thing as 243 multiplied by 243 times 3 squared, which is 9, then times 80. So let's proceed from here. So now here we have 243 times 243. This is 243 times 243. So this is 3 times 3, this is 9. 4 times 3, this is 12. 2 carry 1, then 3 times 2, this is 6 plus 1, 7. Here we have 4 times 3, this is 12 carry 1. 4 times 4, this is 16 plus 1, which is 17 carry 1. Then 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1, this is 9. Then here we have 3 times 2, this is equal to 6. 4 times 2, this is equal to 8. 2 times 2, this is equal to 4. So let's add here. We have here 9. 2 plus 2, this is 4. 7 plus 7, this is 14. 14 plus 6, this is 20. So 0, carry 2 here. Then 9 plus 8 here, this is 17 plus 2. This is 19. 9, carry 1 here. Then this is 5. So here we have 59,049 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 80. So let's proceed here. Here we'll have 59,049 multiplied by 9. So this is 9 times 9. This is 81. Carry 8. Then here we have 9 times 4, which is 36 plus 8, which is 44. So 4. Carry 4. Then we have 4 here. 9 times 0, 0 plus 4. This is 4. Then 9 times 9. This is 81. So 1 carry 8. Then 9 times 5. This is 45. 45 plus 8. This is equal to 53. Then multiplied by 80. So let's multiply here by 80. So here we have 0 times 8, which is 0. 1 times 8, this is 8. 8 times 4, this is 32. 2, carry 3 here. Then 8 times 4 again, this is 32 plus 3, which is 35. So carry 3. Then 1 times 8, this is 8 plus 3. This is 11. So 1, carry 1 here. Then 8 times 3, this is equal to 24 plus 1. This is 25. Carry 2 here. Then 5 times 8. 8 times 5, this is actually equal to 40 plus 2. This is equal to 42. So the solution here, we have 42, 51, 52, 80. So this implies this is 42,512,280. And this is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe, my good people.